Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student, dear student. Stay home and stay safe. My name is Haris Ali from Bharia College, Hanif campus. I am physics teacher. Student, today we are going to study lesson number 1 of chapter number 10. Chapter name is Simple Harmonic Motion and Waves. This lesson for class 10 Federal Board. Topic of the lesson is simple harmonic motion. And today we are going to cover page number 2 to 3 of your textbook. After this lesson, student, you will be able to understand the periodic and vibratory motion, the conditions necessary for an object to oscillate with simple harmonic motion with simple pendulum, ball and bowl examples. Students, when you look at your surrounding, you observe the motion of a spring and motion of body moving in a circular path, motion of a swing. These are the example of vibratory motion or simple harmonic motion. Periodic motion, a motion that repeats itself in equal interval of time, is called periodic motion. The motion in which particle moves back and forth or up and down called vibratory motion or oscillatory motion. Simple harmonic motion is a special kind of vibratory motion or oscillatory motion. Simple harmonic motion is a to and fro oscillatory motion in which acceleration of the body is directly proportional to the displacement of the body from the mean position and is always directed towards the mean position. Mathematically, it can be defined as A is directly proportional to minus x. These are the examples of simple harmonic motion: motion of a mass attached to a spring, ball and bowl system, motion of a simple pendulum. Motion of a mass attached to a spring. If the spring is stretched or compressed through a small displacement x from its mean position, it exerts a force on the mass and body start to and fro motion. This is the mean position and these are extreme position. A and B are extreme position and O is the mean position. According to Hooke's law, force is directly proportional to the change in length x of the spring. That force we can write as F is equal to minus kx, where k is spring constant and its value is the measure of the stiffness of the spring. Stiff spring have large value of k and soft spring have small value of k. For k, above formula can be written as k is equal to minus F over x. According to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. Now equation 1 becomes k is equal to minus m upon x. Separate the expression for a minus k upon m x. K is a spring constant and mass of the body remains constant. So here k upon is constant, therefore expression becomes, after removing sign of equation and constant, we can apply sign of proportionality. It means that acceleration of mass attached to a spring is directly proportional to its displacement from the mean position. Hence, the horizontal motion of a spring system is an example of simple harmonic motion. The negative sign shows that the force exerted by the spring is always directed opposite to the displacement of the mass. A force that pushes or pulls the object performing oscillatory motion towards the mean position is called restoring force. Energy of the system. Total energy of the system is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. And at mean position, total energy is equal to potential energy. At extreme position, total energy is equal to the potential energy. At mean position, total energy is equal to the kinetic energy. Time period T of the simple harmonic motion of a mass m attached to a spring is given by the following equation. Ball and ball system. In ball and ball system, the ball is gently displaced from the center of the ball. It starts oscillating about the center. Due to the force of gravity, which acts as restoring force, ball continue its to and fro motion about a mean position. Thus, the to and fro motion of the ball about a mean position placed in a ball is an example of simple harmonic motion. Motion of a simple pendulum. A simple pendulum consists of a small bob of mass m suspended from a light string of length L fixed at its upper end. There are two forces acting on mass: tension and weight. Weight is a gravitational force. When we displace pendulum, gravitational force divided into two components, mg sin theta and mg cos theta. The restoring force that causes the pendulum to undergo simple harmonic motion is the component of gravitational force mg sin theta, tangent to the path of motion. The acceleration of the bob is always directed towards the mean position O. Hence, the motion of simple pendulum is simple harmonic motion. We have the following formula for the time period of simple pendulum. Important features of simple harmonic motion. A body executing simple harmonic motion always vibrates about a fixed position. Its acceleration is always directed towards the mean position. The magnitude of the acceleration is always directly proportional to its displacement from the mean position. Acceleration will be zero at the mean position, while it will be maximum at the extreme positions. Its velocity is maximum at mean position and zero at extreme position. Summary of the lesson: a motion that repeats itself in equal interval of time is called periodic motion or harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion is a special kind of vibratory motion or oscillatory motion. Simple harmonic motion is defined as the to and fro oscillatory motion in which acceleration of the body is directly proportional to the displacement of the body from the mean position and is always directed towards the mean position. These are the example of simple harmonic motion: motion of a mass attached to a spring, ball and ball system, motion of a simple pendulum. Students, you must do this activity at home. It clear your concept for simple harmonic motion. You just need a ball and ball. This is your home assignment. What is simple harmonic motion? What are the necessary conditions for a body to execute simple harmonic motion? Think of several examples of motion in everyday life that are simple harmonic motion. Thanks for watching this video lesson. Allah Hafiz.